very often we overlook preparation for the reading test. And sometimes it ends up in failing the test because we are not able to notice certain strategies that examiners use in order to fool us, to make us fall into those traps. And in this masterclass, I would like to show you some traps that I have identified that examiners create in order to test you. And don't get me wrong, it's not that they wish you to fail the exam. They just want to really make sure that you understood the task. And that's the whole point of testing. We're going to start by analyzing certain words that I call exam traps. The first part, because there will be 20 of them, the first part are some adverbs, and the second part are more of the expressions that you can come across while reading those texts. This masterclass focuses on reading at the level 3. So some adverbs or the expressions will be quite advanced. So if that's the level that you're preparing for, make sure that you're familiar with those words because I have taken them directly from the exam texts. All right, here you have a picture of a trap, a mouse trap, but it's not so different from the exam trap. So it's sometimes something that looks very appealing, like an answer that looks very appealing, but it's not the one. All right, so the exam trap words appear in the reading, but also listening tasks, and they may change the meaning of the whole sentence. Just this one word can change the meaning of a whole sentence. Okay? They're used to test you whether you really understood the text or an audio recording without being tricked into marking an incorrect answer. And let me show you some examples of exam trap words.